This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Wiper blades replacement. Ford Ranger. Lift the arm away from the glass for clearance. Depress the release tab, then slide the wiper blade out of the hook in the end of the arm. Slide the new blade fully into the hooked end of the arm. An audible click can be heard that indicates it is secure.